you stop learning at 20, you become old. You become an old man. If an 80-year-old man is still learning, he's not old, he's a young man. You know why? Because you cannot do except you become. You cannot start doing things except you become. You cannot become except you have learned enough. So, how do we build a learning system? The critical component of a learning system starts with what I call K. What is K? What is K? What is K? What is K? Who said K? Knowledge here. Who said knowledge? Who said knowledge? Who said knowledge? You said knowledge. That's your stuff. Guess what? The reward for knowledge is something in your pocket. Leadership flows to the one who knows. Anybody who solves a problem in the boardroom is a leader. Leadership is not position. Leadership is not position. Leadership is solution. When you solve a problem, if you become a problem solver in a system, you get a reward. The power to know is what is lacking in this country. The ruler of Dubai and the vice president of United Arab Emirates, a great man for that note, who a few days ago has announced the transport policy for Dubai for 2050. Announced it few days ago. They are thinking in the context of the 150. Does that make sense? Yes. Planning. You know what he said? The man said something that blew my mind. He said, the road to pioneering and success is only open to the serious and dedicated people working towards progress. Oh my God. He blew my mind. When serious people are talking, you must listen. There are people that will be talking to you. You might pretend you know. But there's people that will talk to you, every word they say, serious. How many of you have been to Dubai before? Dubai is a transformed economy, a center of the world. A place where they have built a seaport in a desert. Convert a desert in a seaport. When some people are talking, listen. The path to the road to success and pioneering is open to only serious-minded people. If you are not a serious learner, you can't go far. Knowledge is powerful. The other day, there was a competition, beauty competition. A lady was asked. She's beautiful, everything. She was on stage, and she was asked to describe a concept. And she said, concept. So that immediately shows there's crisis. Crisis because what brings you out and makes you stand out is not that you're beautiful outwardly. Does that make sense? It's an advantage, but it's not all that you need. You need an internal mechanism that brings out your capacity to become relevant. When you open your mouth in public, people say that man or woman is serious. If you want to be taken seriously, listen to me. You have to be a perpetual learner. I read right now 2 books in a week. That's what I read. And of other internet conversations I hold. And every day we complain in Africa that the problem of Africa is what? Leadership. How many persons in this country have created a process to change that problem? And so in June last year, I received the greatest shock of my life. I was admitted in a course in Harvard, the art and practice of leadership. The whole world gathered, 62 people from around the world. I entered into my class, 11 people from Australia, some people from Singapore, some people from Brazil, some people from emerging economies, Canada, top level countries, and the whole of Africa. In an important course like that, that is thinking about the future of the world, the direction of the world, you had only 2 people from Africa, one from Nigeria, one from Morocco. In the entire West Africa, there's only one person, Linus Okorie, in the class like that. And you tell me that Africa will progress that fast?